Hey everyone on YouTube, this is the BodyFix PT and Performance channel. In this video today we're going to foam roll our quads. If you don't know what the quads are, they're a group of 4 muscles that runs from the hip to the knee. Alright, so the way we foam roll our quads, you can do one at a time. I personally like to do it both at a time. And there's a couple different ways you can do this with your foam roller, okay? For all of them, you're gonna start, I just bring that foam roll right up to my knees while I'm kneeling, and then I'm gonna get down into a plank position. So now my quads are on that foam roller. And then I'm gonna roll up and down. I'm not gonna go over my kneecaps. I'm gonna stop right when I get to my kneecaps. I'm gonna come back, okay? And you can just roll up and down. But what I like to do is when I find a relatively sore spot to loosen that up a little bit more, is I will start and do a little bit of bending of the knees, a little flutter kick from the knees. If you're a swimmer, don't kick like this, right? And then I'll kind of turn side to side, kind of massage that out with that foam roller and roll back and forth, just like that. I want my feet, not heels together, toes together. And that helps me target the inner part of the quad, or that, especially down in here. All right, if you have any questions, leave us a comment. That's foam rolling the quads, so you can just roll back and forth, or you can stop on those spots and do a little bit of kick and rotation. Let us know how it goes. If you have tight quads, this is a great one for you. And we hope to hear from you guys later. Check out some of our other videos. Subscribe for more content. We're trying to post something a few times a week, every day if we can. And take care.